How to fix Snapchat not logging in, or how to fix login error on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix the login error or the login problem on your Snapchat. Well, first things first, if you're having the login problem on Snapchat, you want to ensure that your login credentials that you have entered are correct. If it is correct, you can head over to your Play Store or App Store and searching for Snapchat. As you can see on the screen, I'm on the Snapchat page here on Play Store. Here you want to make sure that you have updated to the latest version. Sometimes not updating the application can cause certain glitches. However, if you have entered in your credentials and you have updated the app, you might also want to check that you are connected to stable internet connection and that your internet connection is secure. You might try and switch between your networks. However, if these are not the issues, then simply follow my steps. Right? Scroll down your notification bar, tap on the settings with the gear icon at the top right corner. Once here on the settings, you want to scroll down and find the option that says apps. So you can see apps option, you want to tap on apps. Once you tap on apps, you want to scroll down, or either you can scroll down and search in for the apps option, or from the search bar at the top, you can search in for Snapchat and tap on it and open up the app info page. Once on the app info page, scroll down, you'll find the storage option, tap on it, and here you want to tap on clear cache. Now, if you wish to clear data, if clearing cache doesn't help, then you might try and clear data, but however, make sure that you have backed up your account if you're already logged in, or if you had saved your login info. Make sure you have backed it up because it'll remove it. As you can see, I'll tap on clear data and it'll say that it'll permanently delete the app data from my device, that is snaps and chats, my logins, settings, personal info, and also app activity. So this is how you can easily fix the login issue on Snapchat. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.